Myself, Tabessia, Program Officer, Water and Sanitation, Aga Khan Foundation, UP Bharat. We are executing water and sanitation project in EKF Bahraj at Chitara block in 26 villages. Our objective is to make the ODF panchayats in the Chitara block. In current year, we are focusing just to give at least 2 ODF panchayats and to construct 200 toilets, 2,000 toilets in the current financial year. So to monitor all these, to monitor all the construction, to monitor all the maintenance and usage of toilets, we were planning to develop a software which will reduce the burden of paperwork. And so in my opinion, the EcoFlow training is very useful to cover all these aspects because in the beginning the construction is in the beginning we have constructed a low number of toilets. Right now it is almost 6,050. But obviously we will construct more and more toilets in the near future, and to monitor all the construction, to monitor the usage, and appropriate software needs, and appropriate software was needed very seriously, and to cater up all the needs. We, with my all team members, with the 4 cluster coordinators, we attend the EcoFlow training. And in these 3 days of training, my opinion on this EcoFlow training is highly positive in the regard of the limited content, but in the limited content because it covers the right location, right as in the final conclusion, we saw that when we feed all data in the mobile application, all the data then flow into Excel sheet, and in one spreadsheet all the data comes together, like what is the exact location of the construction, what are the exact location of the toilets. And in our program we seriously needs such kind of software which streamline all the process in one single format. During paperwork it consumes a lot of time and energy, and to record all those data in one format was almost impossible. And in this way, this EcoFlow software is very useful to streamline all aspects in one single format. We can record all the number of toilets, we can record all the number of beneficiaries there, and simultaneously we can record all the aspects of their usage. So in this sense, this software is very useful, and for the monitoring purpose it is the same useful for the monitoring. Suppose that if some enumerator records the data wrong, so a monitor easily cross check those data and then again feeds the current data. So in this sense, this software is very useful.